after Rocket Boys, was actually during Rocket Boys ki Danish sir and Shaugato came to me, and Danish sir's favorite book is Freedom at Midnight. Shaugato's favorite book is Freedom at Midnight, and my favorite book is Freedom at Midnight. तो दे केम टू मी एंड आई थिंक दैट दे आर ऑलरेडी प्लॉटेड कि मतलब कि हम लोग इसको उसको इस तरह से हम लोग यू नो वील सो आई सेड कि यार इसका राइट्स कभी मिलेंगे नहीं एंड दे सेड हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है हमने हमारे पास ऑलरेडी वी आर इन डीप डिस्कशन विद द लापियर्स ट्रस्ट टू गेट द राइट्स एंड सो आई कांट टेक द क्रेडिट फॉर इट आई जस्ट कैन जस्ट basically thank them for allowing me to make this show. I mean, it's my dream to make this show. I think you guys were here when Nehru finished. So we did one round. Usually, what happens is that I lied it. I'm very clear, or rather, I consider myself to have a lot of clarity which shot is going to be and which lines will be in which shot. That first shot that you all saw was supposed to just be the first bit of the speech. You know, long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and it was just supposed to be that.
Years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. And now, time comes when we shall redeem our pledge.
I said, yeah, I went to him and I said, ki, suppose I let the camera roll and you take the whole speech. He said, yeah, take it, I've learnt it. So he took the whole speech and I was stunned because you could see, you know, I mean, 150, 200 grown men are clapping and they're listening. So it's there are the iconic moments in the history of this country, which when you relive that, you know, it just becomes quite special.
Stroke of the midnight hour and day.
What more can you expect? It spans from 16th of September 1946. Then 1st January 1947 is when Mountbatten was asked to become the last Viceroy of India, and then it goes on till 30th January 1948. So there's a lot. In that 13-month period, one has to understand कि वो 13 महीना जो था, it defined what India is. It became what India is. It tore apart the subcontinent.
Right, take down, full take down. Okay. And camera forward.
Unfortunately, Pakistan was created. India got shattered. 20 million people walked away from. So there are sequences where we are recreated the Exodus, where 20 million people went across the border. There is violence because there was so much violence between what that was happening in Calcutta and in Punjab. So it was the most violent and horrific time. People had lost their minds. पागल हो गए थे मतलब fathers were killing their daughters because they didn't want their daughters to you know get in the hands of people who are going to only molest them, and so it was horrific. It was also a lot of politics. Games were being played inside rooms, in the back rooms. Deals were being made, and so it has all the trappings of what I would consider to be a very, very important story and of a very important time, which unfortunately we are forgetting nowadays. I think that the criteria to cast this show was very important from a point of view that we need to make sure that at least the people who we get for the show will be able to represent these great and giant men, right? We were very, very lucky with our Gandhi casting and with our Nehru casting, and Kavish, who's my casting director, usually has a very important role to play and still played an important role. But funnily, the person who played the most important role was Jayant Dada, who was my prosthetics person, because he would turn around and say कि ये आदमी को मैं बना सकता हूँ, ये आदमी को नहीं बना सकता. But a lot of people who were possibly very, very good for the roles lost out because we could not make them into what we made them. So we really worked hard. The team has been working for more than 3 years to get us to this position today. You know, to make sure that we get all the detailing right. And we still obviously will get some of it wrong, but those are choices that we have made knowing fully well that we can't get them right.
Other elements are there. Cut.